Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic picture reflection in PowerPoint. Once that's done, go ahead and insert the image you want to work with. Then, head to the Picture Format tab and click on the Crop option. Crop the image carefully, especially the bottom part, to get it just right. Now, go to Picture Effects and select the Reflection option. Choose the full reflection effect, and voila! You'll see a beautiful reflection appear beneath your image. But what if you want to create a reflection effect from scratch? Here's how you can do it. First, remove the existing reflection. Now, select your image and duplicate it. Then, go to the Rotate option and choose Flip Vertical. This will turn the image upside down. Move it to the bottom of your original image to position your new reflection. Next, let's add a little blur. Head over to the Artistic Effects tab and choose the Blur option. You can even adjust the color of the blurred image by clicking on Color and setting the saturation to 66%. Now, you'll see a reflection that you've created manually. If you want to add even more style to your reflection, go back to the Artistic Effects tab and select Glow Diffused. This will give your reflection a soft, glowing look. For one final touch, go back to Artistic Effects and choose Paintbrush. This effect will remind you of the stunning artwork from animated movies. And if you want to add even more depth, head back to Artistic Effects and select Film Grain. That's the last step, and you're done. Look at the difference these effects make to your reflection. It really adds that realistic touch. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to create a realistic picture reflection in PowerPoint.